Copyright strike is one thing you need to avoid as a beginner and an upcoming YouTuber. Most people don't even know about it until it's time for monetization. So it is one problem you get to realize when it's time for your monetization. Hi, welcome to our beginners class. It's your girl Linda as usual, and today I'm going to teach you how to use YouTube songs in order to avoid YouTube copyright strike. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. YouTube songs are songs on YouTube you have access to without getting a copyright strike. These are songs and sounds that most time we get to use for our vlogs, without having to get the copyright strike. So for you to use the sounds or this music, the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser or your Chrome, search for YouTube Studio, YouTube Studio, okay? You click on login, it takes you to your YouTube Studio. Okay. Now this is my YouTube Studio. Now when you get here, you come down by the left, you see all these icons. You come to the last one where you see music. Click on it. Then you see records of all the music on YouTube. You can see music, then sound effects. So you get to listen to them to know the particular one you want. Now, after listening to all of them or a couple of them, and you finally selected the particular one you want or the one that resonates with you, what you need to do is you go to the app where you want to input the song. You open the app, and most times we use CapCut. So you go to your CapCut, open the app, then open the project you want to download the song to. Once you've done that, you go back to your YouTube Studio. Now you go and click on download. It brings you here. You click on more gives you different option of where you want to send it to. You click on import audio to CapCut. Now once you click on that, the audio automatically imports to CapCut. Then you listen to your video, and that's it. Another way to access this YouTube music is to go to YouTube. Now this is my YouTube. You click on your profile, your channel, then you go to settings. Under settings, you go to your data in YouTube. When you get here, you click on your video, then it takes you to your YouTube Studio directly. You go to the music like we did initially, then you click or you play any of them, download, and don't forget you should have opened the project you want to import it to. So once you just click on download, it will take you to the other option where more, then you click on the app and all that, just like we did previously. And yes, you have your YouTube music stroke YouTube sounds. You can use these ones for now. Use it for your vlog or any other thing you want to use it for, in order to avoid copyright for now as a beginner. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you found this class helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow up with our subsequent class. I hope to see you in my next class.